Memphis blues. Oh yeah. Woke up this morning, wife and I had a fight. She threw us dishes, it ain't feeling right. The mother-in-law's calling, saying, honey, don't fret. She makes that steak and potato, now ain't that a bet? Dancing in the kitchen while the stew's on the stove. My wife just yells louder, oh, how long to go? To her sweet little kitchen where love is so high. But here I am stuck, and all I do is sigh. Oh, I wish I married my mother-in-law. You see, fried chicken on Sundays, oh, what a jubilee. But here with my woman, it's a constant fight. Lord have mercy, I just want a little light. I just want a little light. Every time she cooks, it's a serious affair. Can't even boil rice, but she combs out her hair. The mother-in-law laughs, she's always so sweet, while I sit at the table just praying for me. Can't you hear me now, baby? Can't you see? I'm dreaming of happier times, just my mother-in-law and me. Oh, yeah. I'll take her to the dance. Oh, my heart starts to soar. Wife's in the corner, always keeping score. Oh, the blues